Struggling to lose that stubborn belly fat? You might think that you've heard it all when it comes to losing weight, but stick with me today. We're not just talking about generic weight loss advice. We're zeroing in on belly fat, why it's tough to lose, why it matters, and most importantly, what you can do to effectively destroy it. We'll also be busting some myths and setting the record straight on what truly works. Because let's face it, when it comes to belly fat, there's just no magic pill. But there is a science to it. Before we figure out how to lose belly fat, let's take a moment to understand what we're up against. So what exactly is belly fat? Belly fat, also known as abdominal fat, can be more than just an inconvenience. It can also pose serious health risks. There are two types of belly fat, subcutaneous and visceral. Subcutaneous fat is the layer just under your skin. Visceral fat lies deeper within your abdominal cavity. It's linked to health issues like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Reducing both types, especially visceral fat, improves overall health. There are several reasons why people gain belly fat. Diet plays a significant role. Consuming high-calorie foods, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol can lead to weight gain. Processed foods, rich in unhealthy fats and sugars, contribute significantly to belly fat accumulation. Lifestyle factors are also crucial. A sedentary lifestyle where physical activity is minimal can cause weight gain. Sitting for long hours, whether at work or home, reduces the number of calories burned, leading to fat storage, especially around the abdomen. Exercise habits, or the lack thereof, are another cause. Regular exercise helps burn calories and reduce fat. On the contrary, a lack of physical activity means fewer calories are burned, causing more fat to be stored in the body. This is particularly true for belly fat, as it's often the first to accumulate and the last to go. Additionally, factors like genetics, age, and hormonal changes can also contribute to the development of belly fat. Understanding these causes can help you tackle belly fat more effectively. To lose fat, including belly fat, you need to understand how fat loss works. The body stores fat in adipose tissues for energy. Excess calories are stored as fat. To lose fat, create a calorie deficit by burning more calories than you consume. In a calorie deficit, stored fat breaks down into fatty acids and glycerol. These are used as energy. This process is called lipolysis. Hormones like adrenaline initiate lipolysis. Reducing overall body fat through diet and exercise helps lose belly fat. As promised, let's talk about the key strategies for destroying body fat. Number 1, diet is one of the most effective tools for losing belly fat. Start by reducing your intake of sugar and refined carbohydrates. These foods cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to increased fat storage. Instead, focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Incorporating more protein into your diet can also help. Protein helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. It also has a higher thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting protein compared to fats or carbohydrates. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are also beneficial. These fats can help increase satiety and reduce the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Remember, not all fats are bad, and incorporating healthy fats can be part of a balanced diet. Lastly, be mindful of portion sizes. Eating in moderation and avoiding large meals can prevent excessive calorie intake, helping to reduce belly fat. Strategy number 2, intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, or IF, has gained popularity as an effective strategy for weight loss, including belly fat reduction. IF involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. The most common method is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Fasting helps reduce insulin levels, allowing your body to burn fat more efficiently. During the fasting period, your body uses stored fat as a primary source of energy, helping to reduce overall fat, including belly fat. Another benefit of intermittent fasting is that it can help reduce overall calorie intake. By limiting the hours you can eat, you naturally consume fewer calories. This calorie deficit is essential for fat loss. Moreover, IF can improve metabolic health, reduce inflammation, and increase the production of growth hormone, which aids in fat loss and muscle gain. It's a powerful tool when used correctly. Before moving on, if you are finding any value in this video, all I ask is for a quick like and subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss the topics we will cover in upcoming videos. Strategy number 3, exercise. Regular physical activity is crucial for losing belly fat. Cardiovascular exercises like running, swimming, and cycling are effective in burning calories and reducing fat. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week. Strength training is also important. Building muscle mass increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories at rest. Incorporate exercises like weightlifting, resistance band workouts, and bodyweight exercises. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is another efficient method. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise, followed by rest or low-intensity exercise. This type of workout burns a lot of calories in a short amount of time and keeps your metabolism elevated even after the workout. Consistency is key. Regular exercise combined with a healthy diet can significantly reduce belly fat and improve overall health. Number 4, lifestyle adjustments. Small lifestyle changes can make a big difference in reducing belly fat. One effective change is to reduce stress. High stress levels lead to the production of cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and promote fat storage in the belly area. Practicing mindfulness and relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing can help manage stress levels. These activities not only reduce cortisol levels, but also improve overall well-being. Another important lifestyle change is to stay hydrated. Drinking water can help increase metabolism and reduce hunger, aiding in weight loss. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Also, avoid smoking and limit alcohol intake. Both smoking and excessive drinking are linked to increased belly fat. Let's not forget the role of sleep in fat loss. Sleep plays a crucial role in fat loss, including belly fat. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and appetite, such as ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin increases appetite, while leptin signals fullness. When you don't get enough sleep, ghrelin levels increase and leptin levels decrease, leading to increased hunger and potential overeating. Poor sleep can also increase cortisol levels, promoting fat storage, particularly in the belly area. Ensuring you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night can help regulate these hormones and support fat loss. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock. Making these lifestyle changes can support your efforts to lose belly fat more effectively. Losing belly fat requires a comprehensive approach that includes diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Understanding the types of belly fat, subcutaneous and visceral, is the first step. Identifying the causes of belly fat, such as poor diet, sedentary lifestyle, and lack of exercise, helps in addressing the issue effectively. The science behind fat loss shows that creating a calorie deficit through diet and exercise is essential. Nutritional adjustments like reducing sugar intake and increasing protein consumption can aid in fat loss. Intermittent fasting is another effective strategy, as it helps reduce calorie intake and improve metabolic health. Regular physical activity, including cardio, strength training, and HIIT, is crucial for burning calories and reducing belly fat. Small lifestyle changes, such as managing stress, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep, can also support fat loss efforts. By combining these strategies, you can effectively reduce belly fat and improve your overall health and well-being. Remember, consistency and patience are key to achieving lasting results.